Pocket knives are a must-have item for your EDC bag. You'd be surprised how often owning a knife comes in handy, not only for self-defense in dangerous situations, but also as a useful tool to use around the house, at work, and even when commuting. In an emergency, a pocket knife can literally save your life. Whether you're involved in a car accident, a boat accident, or you're lost in the woods, this one tool could be the difference between life and death. There are thousands of pocket knives on Amazon, but today we're going to list what we think are the best pocket knives on the market right now. Buck Knives 501. The blade of this knife is made of drop-point steel, which is sturdy, long-lasting, and corrosion-resistant. It's composed of 420 HE steel, which has been heat-treated to make it both robust and resharpenable. It's a full-bellied knife with superb control, making it ideal for jobs like slicing. You can simply open this knife, since it features a nail notch on the blade and a lockback mechanism that keeps the blade open. This allows it to be used for longer periods of time without risk. The rosewood handle with nickel-silver bolsters looks sleek and lovely, plus it's functional and comfortable to grasp. You'll like how comfortable the grip is because you can hold it with 4 fingers instead of 3, as is customary with many pocket knives. Gerber Gear ARMBAR Slim Drive. With a 2-inch extension bit driver, you can cut goods in hard-to-reach places with this finest pocket knife for under $50. Because it includes a bit driver, hammer, bottle opener, pry bar, scissors, and in all, it's more of a multi-tool than a typical pocket knife. It boasts a slim design that isn't bulky and takes up no more room than a regular carry knife. The knife's plain edge blade can be used with one hand, features a liner lock to keep the blade safe, and slides past the blade halfway points to prevent accidental closing. The tool tabs and access points are huge, so you won't have to struggle with the knife or waste time trying to get it to work in an emergency. CRKT Pocket Knife. This is one of the best pocket knives because it features a kinematic breakthrough that allows you to deploy the blade with just your thumb while keeping your fingers secure, because they never go past the blade's circular path. The blade is made of D2 blade steel, which has excellent edge retention. It comes with a glass breaker, so it's handy to have on hand in case you find yourself in an emergency circumstance. Because of the way the knife is secured by a lock mechanism at the tool's base, you can keep it safely locked. Civity PINTAIL Flipper Pocket Knife. This pocket knife maintains its edge well and is resistant to wear and tear. Its handle is not only soft, but it also provides a firm grip thanks to the fact that it is composed of micarta, a linen fabric that may also contain canvas and paper. The knife has a thumb stud and flipper for simple deployment, 2 characteristics that appeal to both novice and experienced users, and a stainless steel pocket clip to make carrying the knife around easier. For added convenience, the clip is reversible. When the blade is released, it has a very smooth motion, so you can use it whenever you need it without difficulty. People who have purchased this pocket knife have stated that it is quite sharp immediately out of the box, and that its overall length of 6.92 inches allows it to be readily concealed. Gerber HIGHBROW Compact. This knife offers a lot of useful features. A lanyard hole and a 2-position pocket clip for left or right carry are included. It includes a pivot lock that allows for better operation and simple access with one hand. It features finger flipper assisted opening, which means you can deploy the blade effortlessly. The flipper is easy to use because it operates smoothly and features a slide lock for added safety, as well as a safety lock to prevent your children from opening the blade. SOG Folding Pocket Knife. This pocket knife has a 3.6 3-inch clip point blade that is suitable for both heavy-duty and light-duty jobs. It comes with a changeable belt clip to make carrying it more convenient and comfortable. With one hand, you can easily open this knife, It does this by utilizing an adjustable sliding thumb stud, and adjustable thumb studs ensure that you always have the greatest grip. It also has a lockback knife mechanism that keeps the blade open and secure so it doesn't close accidentally. The blade of this folding pocket knife is made of stainless steel, which is strong and durable. It has a machined G10 handle with full-length steel liners for a comfortable grip. It's also light enough to take around in your pocket at only 4.2 ounces. The pocket clip is strong and weighty, so it won't fall out of your pocket. Gerber Gear 310017009N. This is a great all-around pocket knife with a drop-point blade that is both flexible and easy to sharpen. The blade is coated with black titanium nitride, which not only looks good but also lowers glare, making it excellent for usage on bright, sunny days. It has a one-handed aided opening mechanism that makes it simple to operate. Simply press the thumb stud to activate the blade. Smith & Wesson. It includes many safety features, including a liner lock and a safety lock to keep the knife from slipping. This pocket knife comes with a glass breaker, which is a unique feature. While this multi-tool pocket knife isn't something you'll use every day, if you ever need to break glass, you'll be pleased you have it. Quadrant. It's simple to use the secure finger flipper mechanism to deploy this blade. The knife blade is made of 7CR17 Movi steel and has a straight-edge sheep-foot blade shape, making it highly corrosive and long-lasting. This comes in handy for a range of cutting jobs. This blade has a lot of edges, which adds to its versatility. When you're not using it, it has a pocket clip to keep it safe and secure. This pocket clip features inset screws for further security. We hope that you liked today's list. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Thank you for watching.